Today is money talk, like real money talk. Business opportunities in Japan. Like this one has been scrapped. So it's now a skeleton. Then here we have a lineup of motorbikes. These ones are going to Nigeria. They are 3 in 1. This is the biggest one, the medium size, and the small one. So all ready to go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Akuna, a Nigerian living and studying in Japan. So today guys, we're not discussing anything but money. Today is money talk, like real money talk. Business opportunities in Japan, things that they're exporting to different countries all around the world. So I'm going to show you guys around and you will see what is money. You'll be surprised at some of the things you would see because you wouldn't expect this to be money, but it is money in various countries. And what works for A might not work for B, but you know, you have to do your market research, search for what your target audience wants. So guys, not too much talk today. Let me show you guys around. But before I start, hit the subscribe button. Yes, I said it. Hit the subscribe button. And even give this video a thumbs up because you're going to like it. It's all about money, money, money. So this is a yard. Here they just pack things, getting ready to ship out, to export to other countries. So today there are lots of tires. So the person who's about to load the container is loading tires to Senegal. The person is from Senegal. So guys, this is money in Senegal. So this is going to be a full container load of tires heading to Senegal. Like the tires are everywhere. It's still scattered because they are yet to sort them fully. The container will be leaving in about 2 days. So now they're just trying to put them together according to sizes, getting ready to be shipped out. So this is what tire export to Senegal looks like right now. Like the tires are just too much, too many, too many, everywhere and everywhere. Let's keep going. Let me show you guys more and more. So this is money. You know, there's this thing about trash being cash. I don't know if I got it right, but trash can be cash. So it depends on what is valuable to people. This is not something in Nigeria. Nigeria doesn't import used tires. So they import only brand new tires. But for some other countries, they can buy used tires from Japan. So there's still more and more, but it wouldn't be sent this way. They're usually stacked into one another, starting from the biggest size, medium size, small size. So I'll still show you guys that one. But this is tires heading to Senegal. Let's keep going. It's still much. Like this one here has been stacked. These are 2, and now they're still stacking more, making it 3. So one of the big sizes, 1 medium size and 1 small size. That's how it's been stacked. So these ones here have been fully stacked together and ready for shipping. So you can see they are 3 in 1. This is the biggest one, the medium size, and the small one. So all ready to go. Then here we have a lineup of motorbikes. These ones are going to Nigeria. So like I said earlier, different countries have different things that sell in their countries. So this is going to Nigeria, ready to be loaded into the container, but not fully ready now. During the loading, the tires will be removed and some other things will be removed, you know, so that it doesn't occupy so much space. But now this is for Nigeria. Bikes. Lots of bikes here. And then these are radios, players, video players, and all that. These ones have been wrapped, ready to be shipped. And like this one here, they're all ready to be shipped. Video players. Over here we have a stack of bicycles. This is how it's been stacked and sent. So now it doesn't take up so much space in the container. And over here too we have another stack. You guys can see this one here, and then this one here. fully ready to go home to Nigeria. Then here too are another stack of bicycles. So in some places this might not be money, but here this is money, and then some countries buy it and use it. So another thing that is good money is auto parts. Like, so some of these cars here that you see have been in accidents, so they're no longer usable. But what happens is people buy it and then they scrap it, take the important parts like the engine, the lights, whatever that's very useful, they take it and then they sell it as auto parts back home in Nigeria. So like, some of them have been dismantled, some are yet to be dismantled. This is yet to be dismantled. This is a bus, as you can see. So some of the parts here, like these lights, will be sold as auto parts. Like this one has been scrapped, so it's now a skeleton, no longer a vehicle. The door is here, wheel cover. So all the useful things have been taken out, and then this one will be sold at the iron recycling center, and in exchange for money. If it's not useful, they just discard it and recycle it into something else. But for now, all the important parts has been taken. It's just a skeleton, no longer a vehicle. So here we still have more and more stacks of bicycles here. And then the other parts, we have auto parts that we have here are radiator fans. Lots of them are still stashed here. You can see them, these ones too. So these are all auto parts to be shipped to Nigeria. So Japan gives opportunity for business, especially when it comes to exports, because they are purely a manufacturing country, very production oriented. So they produce lots of things, and when it gets old, they just ship it out. It saves them the energy to recycle. So this is it. These small buses are one of the most commonly shipped goods to Nigeria. They are called shuttle buses. They come in various designs, the truck design and the bus design. I don't know what it's called in other countries, but this is very common in Nigeria and mostly shipped from Japan. So a full container load of these small trucks and buses would be about 18 pieces of it, but it's not usually stacked this way. Before it's loaded, it would be cut into pieces. The tires will be dismantled, steering will be out, dashboard will be out. It's usually cut into two, like the picture on the screen right now. And then they stack it, load it into the container using a forklift, and then off to Nigeria. So in Nigeria, we use some specific brands, like this Hijet brand and Suzuki brand. Some other countries buy other brands, but this is what is obtainable in Nigeria. So this is going to Nigeria. You can see even this truck is also Hijet brand, mostly Hijet brand that we use in Nigeria. Suzuki is also being used, but Hijet is more popular, and it also depends on the state. So if you have to know your target market, know the people you want to sell to, and then know the brand they will buy. So this bus is going to Nigeria. This is a Nissan Caravan. I think it's about 16-seater. So it's going to be sent to Nigeria. So this is usually being bought by most commercial transportation companies. So guys, here comes the loading day. So this one has been dismantled, and this is a stack of 5. So 5 vehicles are stacked together and ready for loading into the container. Things gotten from underneath this vehicle are what you see right here in this white box or something. So there are other things that will be loaded as well, like these engines. We are also gotten from the dismantled vehicles, lots of them. So they are also going into the container as well. And we have many other things. So right now, this is facing the direction it will be loaded. The container is right in front of it, as you guys can see. So let's go inside and see what is inside already, because something has been loaded prior to this time. So let's see what's inside. So here we already have some vehicles already loaded. This is also a stack of 5, and then some tiny auto parts that have been fixed into any little space that is available. So this would be going in right now. A forklift is here to take it right into the container, and someone is directing him at the other side. So these are the vehicles that were loaded right now. So on the right side, more auto parts will be loaded here to fill up the space, just like those behind. You can see the doors behind. More things will be stacked on it as well. And here you can see some doors that were dismantled, then some chair seats, and then engines and many other auto parts that were gotten from the vehicles that were dismantled. Here we have the radiators, the fans. Over here you have the steering wheels, more doors and other parts. And these are exhaust pipes that will be loaded into the container as well. Now the container has been loaded. You can see the right side I mentioned earlier has been filled almost. And then here we have the engines, and then lots of things in between, like we have the jack, we have the wheel spanner, and lots of other items that were dismantled from the vehicle to fill in all the little spaces that are in between these engines. So now this should continue until the container is filled up and ready to go to the port, and then up to Nigeria. So like I mentioned earlier, every container is different. People load different things, like various things, depending on the country that you're sending it to. So you have to make these inquiries before loading. So guys, if you're looking to do business in Japan from Nigeria or from different parts of the world, you've seen some things that are obtainable. This is just a tip of the iceberg. I don't know what other countries buy, but I just came to this place where most of our African brothers do exports to African countries. So this is most of the things they have here. There are also other things, so it depends on who is shipping and to where are they shipping. So this is just Senegal and Nigerians in this yard. So in different yards, maybe where there are more Ghanaians and other countries, you might see much more other things. So Japan gives room for business opportunities, like there are lots of it. There's a company I went to, it's a Nigerian owned company. They export copper and some other items to Nigeria as well. So it depends on what you want to do. There are a lot of opportunities here in Japan when it comes to business, because they are very manufacturing oriented. So they have lots of things that are not obtainable back home, and you can buy them at cheaper rates here and just ship home and make good cash. But don't ask me any questions. I'm not doing business, I'm studying, but this is just to give you an idea of other opportunities in Japan for those who are always like, Akona, you're studying too much. Aren't there other things to do in Japan? So this is one of it. There are businesses to do in Japan. Exporting. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You know, it does a lot. It means a lot to me. It encourages me. It makes this video get more audience, and then, you know, it just makes me happy. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Until the next one, guys. See ya.